Good morning, John. I want you to go over here to grades so you see all of the assignments that you've turned in. Scroll down here until you get to regular expressions. And then come up here and click on View Feedback. You've probably done this before. But this will show you the notations that I made on the PDF file that you turned in. Okay, right here, number 3. You know, John, I have no idea where you got this stuff. If you made this up, congratulations. The pattern that we wanted you to match was this pattern right here. Okay, so create a regular expression that matches this pattern. This regular expression may or may not match that pattern. It's really difficult to tell because of how it's set up. It's extremely complicated, and one little character here that's misplaced, and this whole thing doesn't work anymore. So I've given you an example right here of a regular expression that would match this pattern. That's simple, straightforward, easy to understand, fail-safe. And so one of the reasons that I docked you here was because this was so doggone complicated that you couldn't really see what it was trying to match. And once again, if you made this, congratulations. If you didn't make this, then congratulations to the guy that you stole it from. Down here, on this one, these 3 examples that you gave are different examples of the same pattern. So they're not really different examples. The pattern that we want to match is something like this, where we have 2 capital letters, or 2 separate words that are capitalized, or a single word that's capitalized. Each of these is a separate pattern, or an example of a different variation of the pattern that this regular expression will match. Once again, those are all 3. These create 3 examples. Those are 3 examples of exactly the same pattern. Down here, once again, you've got 3 examples here of exactly the same pattern. They're just strings. These examples match this pattern, or these let me say this again. These examples and this example are exactly the same. O'Malley with this apostrophe right here is different from this, and Newton-John with the hyphen right here is different from either one of these 2. So that was the reason that you got points deducted from this exercise. Thanks.